Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're having a great day. I am excited. I am so excited to share with you something that's breaking out right now as I record this. It just started today, and I believe will triple in the month of February. You already know what I'm talking about because you clicked on the banner. Alt season is here, baby. The freight train is coming. And so, if you feel so inclined, please hit the little subscribe button and let's just jump right in.
Okay, before we talk about Ethereum, let's first check out Bitcoin because I think this is setting up so nicely right now. We're looking at the 12-hour candle chart of Bitcoin going back to about mid-December through right now. We're currently, as I record this, 35,678 and looking to clear about the 37,005 candle from what day was that? A couple weeks ago, maybe about a week ago, the end of January. Once that does, then it's clear sailing up to 40, and we have a little bit of resistance, obviously, at 40. But clearly, this base that's formed over the last week did not get down to the $30,000 support level. So we've got a higher high being put, a higher low, excuse me, being put in, and we'll see if this is now a higher high. But I bring this up because I think this is what we need to look for confirmation with what's going on in Ethereum. So let's change over to the 12-hour chart of Ethereum right now. And you can clearly see on real nice volume over 100,000 over the last 12 hours. Again, this is the 12-hour chart of Ethereum going back to mid-December. And we cleared that 1,425 resistance level that's been going on. And we cleared that in a nice way around 11. Well, we'll talk about the hourly chart here in a second, but today, and have now hit a high of $1,541, excuse me, sitting at 1,527 as I record this. So why do I say this is going to triple? Well, all we have to do is look at past indicators of what its price performance of what it's done. And at the beginning of January, when Ethereum started running about a month ago, and it's formed this base for the better part of a month now. From once it started going higher around the December 27th, and over the next 2 weeks, about the January 10th mark, it went from about the 550 $600 mark or so up to that 1400. If you take it from its low back at the beginning of December, where it was around 500, and then shot to just shy of 1500, therefore tripling. I think it's about to do it again. And I think with all the talk around what's been going on in the market with GameStop, attention has diverted away from what was a lot of talk on CNBC and other business channels going into the end of the year around the price action of these cryptos. That faded in January. You cannot argue. They still show the little indicator in the bottom right hand corner of Bitcoin on CNBC. So that hasn't gone away yet. And they talk about it every now and then, but it is not garnering the attention that it got in the month of December. That subsided, and while that subsided, these prices based. They base for the better part of January. Obviously, we saw a pretty nice reduction in price action in Bitcoin from around the 42,000 to just under 30, and has recovered more than half of that now. And here we have just a confirmed breakout today of Ethereum to start that next leg. You can see on December 27th, we saw a similar action after a good couple weeks of just basing. and it exploded up. It sort of flatlined up on that plateau for a week before getting the volume in to push it higher. I think the same kind of action is happening, and that's why I'm buying into Ethereum today. Now, if we look at the hourly, is this the no? I'm sorry. This is the 15-minute chart. You can see just the same pattern. Nice volume on the up candles. Nice volume on the up candles. Low volume on the down. And so clearly the sellers are gone. And you can see from the going into this latest move that happened at around 11 a.m. this morning where it started. We had a nice run up going into yesterday early morning, this morning I should say, a nice started the run up to the back to the 1425, 1450 mark. And what has been taking us down from there has been volume. And you can see clearly on those down candles, the volume was absent. The volume was absent, telling the buyers that it's time to roll, that those guys are gone. Those weak hands that we're not going to that we're going to sell and get out are now gone. So it's time to push this price up. And as you can see, as I record this, we're at $1,525. Now, clearly, I have no idea where this is going. And anybody that says they know the ultimate price of Ethereum, I've seen the reports on YouTube too, $20,000 Ethereum. It's not going to go there in a straight line. It is impossible, I think, to argue that any of these big name cryptos like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and you XRP holders or those of us that lost quite a bit on what happened with XRP might argue with me otherwise. But it's hard to fathom that these cryptos are going to be worth less in 3 years than they are now. So certainly I'm not day trading these things. I know that some of you are. Some of you are making a lot of money doing it. Hats off to you guys that do. I'm not. I buy this stuff and I sock it away with the mindset of 3 years. There's some, for those of you in the United States, there's some good tax reasons to look at least a 12-month hold on this stuff. But that being said, I really think that this is it, that this is the breakout we've all been waiting for in Ethereum. Now, Bitcoin leads the market. What Bitcoin does, the alts will do to catch up. Ethereum leads the altcoins. And so we've seen some price action over the weekend, and XRP go from 30 to 70 cents. It's back down now. Certainly Dogecoin took off with the Wall Street bet crowd got hold of it. But you know, Ethereum is sort of the of the altcoins, at least the high cap, the big cap name in the mix, the stud. And so that's where I'm putting my money. And this confirmed breakout that we're seeing right now happen as I record this it's just beginning now. And as you can see, these things they're not just one and done breakouts. When these things break out, they take time, and the buyers are coming in. Then they start reporting about it on CNBC. Then they start talking about it, and then people start FOMOing. We are so far away right now from FOMO action on Ethereum. This is the real deal, in my humble opinion. So that's what I was really excited to share with you guys. I hope you enjoy. I hope you are as excited about this as I am. If so, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. As you can tell from the number of subscribers I have right now on YouTube, I could certainly use the help. But I hope you're excited about this. I got to say it, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude with a computer that loves talking about this stuff, and I know you love learning about it as well. I'm learning about this stuff every day and just super excited about the possibilities of crypto in general, but Ethereum in the month of February. So don't buy or sell anything just on account of something I said. Do your own research. But I've researched the heck out of this, and I'm certainly putting my money on it. So do your own thing. I'm not an advisor, but I'm one excited dude when I see a chart like this today, and cannot wait to see what the next couple days behold for Ethereum. So anyway, that's what I got. Hope you guys have a great day. See you tomorrow.